Hi everyone, how are you? It's Lory here today to share with you a new process video to create a new page. My assignment was to focus my attention on fringed borders. So I want to, this time, I usually play with a lot of embellishments and letters and stamps usually in my works. Sometimes I need to change and to challenge myself to create something different. So I focused my attention on the patterned papers from the kits, the December 2020 kits. They are really soft and dreamy, and I love the colors and the patterns because they are wonderful, perfect for any occasion. So the first thing I did was to cut many different stripes from the different patterned papers and fringe each and make the fringe on each stripe of paper using my scissors and my hands. So like in this way, as you can see, as you are seeing in the video. So I had really a lot of fun and a relaxing time to creating these borders. My idea was not to create. The first idea was to create 4 borders, one for each side of my page, of 12 by 12 page sides, but in the end I was really inspired for many different page ideas I saw here and there, and so my idea changed. I wanted to fill all my background, so all the total, the whole white cardstock with the stripes, the fringed stripes papers. So I started from the last one to go behind and till the first stripe of paper. So firstly I did a try about how everything could be together, and then I'm sorry for the light in the video, sometimes it's so strong, I'm sorry, but what I did was to put a little glue on the top of each stripe of paper, and before to glue everything together I tried the design of my layout to have an idea about how to place the different things I want to use, the different the title, the pictures. I choose to use 4 black and white pictures to make a big contrast with the patterned papers. I don't know why there is this light, this high light in the video, I'm sorry. Okay, what I have loved about these kits, you know, I am always in love with embellishments. The embellishments for sure are the favorite part of a kit for me, because they give me a lot of ideas. They give me the possibility to add meaningful details to my pages, to my works, to my pocket pages or travel notebooks and anything else and everything else. I'm sorry. So as you can see, I started to glue each stripe of paper, and then I play with the pictures in a square window, 4 pictures, 2 pictures for to be true, that I repeated the 2 times, for 2 times. Then before to add the pictures, I played a lot with the acrylic white ink to make some drops here and there and to give dimension to my page. So it was really a lot of fun and a relaxing time while my baby boy, my baby number 2, was under the table where I was creating, under the table, and to play with my stamps and my media and my things that I have in a little furniture under my table. So it's crazy creating with a little boy here and there, always with me. But this is always also the funniest part of my of the creative process, I think. So it's the beauty of the everyday life when you need to be a mama and a crafter, you know. So once you have finished to glue all the stripes of papers, you can just play with I added to mat my pictures. I added vellum, a piece of vellum, and a piece of tissue paper, and some tulle, white tulle. So I made many different tries to understand where I could put my pictures and the different embellishments, the title, and here I made a lot of drops here and there with my white acrylic ink. Once I have decided where to glue, to place my pictures, I stitched the pictures with my sewing machine to have a different kind of dynamism in the page. The great dynamism of the striped papers, of the paper stripes, I'm sorry, and the pictures that are really are on the page in this way, as you can see, with the organza and the vellum and the tissue paper. So now it's the best part of the creating process, because you can play with many different little details. You know, I don't love to insert a lot of things together when I already have a background really full. So I added my title and just some exposed dots stickers and some hearts, and that's all. Some ephemeras and some die cut from the main kit and then the embellishment kit. So these kits are really lovely, really full of the exclusive products, are really gorgeous, so high quality embellishments. And I know, I mean, I am never tired to use them. So it's lovely this, because sometimes a kit can be tiring, be boring at some time. Instead, these kits are really full of possibilities to be used. So I just added many hearts and some snowflakes and some leaves from the die cuts, and then just other drops of acrylic inks and anything else. Okay, so hope you will have fun to creating a page like this. Hope you will be inspired from this page, and see you soon. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.